Celecoxib. You might know it as Celebrex. It's a drug that fights inflammation. It's a COX-2 inhibitor. Doctors use it to treat arthritis pain. But now, scientists are studying it for something much bigger: fighting cancer. This isn't your typical cancer drug. It doesn't work like chemotherapy. Instead, Celecoxib seems to stop tumors from growing. It might even make some cancers disappear entirely. The research is still ongoing, but the early results are promising. Celecoxib could be a game changer in the fight against cancer. Celecoxib is being studied in many types of cancer. Scientists are looking at its effects on colon cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, and more. Each cancer is different, but they all share one thing in common: Celecoxib seems to slow their growth. In some cases, Celecoxib is even more powerful. Studies show it can shrink tumors and prevent them from spreading. This is especially true when combined with other cancer treatments. Osteosarcoma is a bone cancer. It's aggressive and often affects children and young adults. Treatment is difficult and survival rates are low. But Dr. Joe and his team had a breakthrough. They discovered that Celecoxib could be a powerful weapon against osteosarcoma. In their study, Celecoxib stopped osteosarcoma cells from growing. It even killed some of the cancer cells. The results were remarkable. Celecoxib, combined with traditional treatments, significantly improved survival rates in mice with osteosarcoma. This research offers hope for a new and more effective treatment for this devastating disease. Section 4. Deciphering the mechanism. How Celecoxib cripples cancer. How does Celecoxib actually fight cancer? It's all about a process called autophagy. Autophagy is like a recycling system for cells. It helps them get rid of damaged parts. But cancer cells hijack this process. They use autophagy to survive and grow. Celecoxib blocks autophagy in cancer cells. This weakens the cancer and makes it more vulnerable to treatment. Think of it like cutting off the enemy's supply lines. Without autophagy, cancer cells struggle to survive. This is what makes Celecoxib so effective. It targets a fundamental process that cancer cells need to thrive. Section 5. A glimmer of hope. Dr. Ralph and the promise of a cure. Dr. Ralph is a leading researcher studying Celecoxib. His work focuses on its potential to cure cancer. He believes that Celecoxib combined with other therapies could one day eliminate cancer completely. This may sound like science fiction, but Dr. Ralph's research suggests it could become a reality. His team has seen remarkable results in animal studies. In some cases, Celecoxib completely eradicated tumors, leaving no trace of cancer behind. While more research is needed, Dr. Ralph's work gives us hope for a future where cancer is no longer a death sentence. Section 6. Towards a brighter future. Integrating Celecoxib in cancer treatment. The future of Celecoxib in cancer treatment is bright. More research is being done every day. Scientists are studying its effectiveness against different cancers. They're also looking for the best ways to combine it with other treatments. The goal is to develop personalized cancer therapies. Treatments tailored to each patient's unique needs. Celecoxib could be a key part of this approach. It's a safe and effective drug with the potential to revolutionize how we treat cancer. Imagine a world where cancer is not a death sentence but a manageable condition. With drugs like Celecoxib, that world is within reach.